Here's how you make this super easy Dr. Seuss Cat in the Hat. Get out these supplies: scissors, tape, Sharpie, a red cup, and the bottom of a mini brains container, and paper. First step is you're going to attach this to the top of your cup. You can use hot glue if you really want, but I'm just going to use tape. It should look something like this. Next up, you want to cut strips of the paper the long way. Not too much, but enough to fill up your cup. Then you're going to tape them down to your cup. Here's how it looks. Now I'm going to draw his face. Now if you really want, you can add a little bow.